Alright, hey guys, this is an unboxing of a 2014 Kink kicker, or just the longest, the 18-inch, complete. Just need to cut this open here. ODIs and t-shirt. Oh god, it comes all together. Scissors. So this surprise, this came pretty much all together. There's another small box here. Probably pedals. Other stickers. Pedals. Reflectors. More reflectors. Ride BMX magazine, Kink sweatshirt, stickers, owner's manual, metal pedals, pretty cool. Alright, I'm just gonna put this together and come back to you. Alright, hey guys, it's all done now. It took maybe 10 minutes. It feels really cool. I mean, I put some really tall bars on it, as you can see the proportion to that. ODIs, Odyssey lever, Odyssey MDS sprocket. We'll throw some pegs on later. I haven't seen any videos on YouTube at all yet, so I'm probably the only one that you're gonna see besides the video that Kink put up themselves. But this is it's a really cool bike. Compared to my 20, it just feels so cool. I was able to 360 it so easy, just like whips around. And the pedals, they are metal, so they're wicked grippy. I like it. I have if any of you seen my bike checkup before, I have the JCPCs, and those are metal pins on it, and it came with like Kink Squash It there. It's a DVD, a year subscription to Ride BMX that's just fell on the ground, all the reflectors and shit no one cares about, Kink stickers, owner's manual, which I'm not gonna read. I had this extra seat here, an extra bar, so see you later.